Wow. Hello and welcome to the final conclusion. Congratulations that you made it till here. It was quite a long journey, and we will have a brief overview on what we actually covered in our class. Now, we started with creating a random custom brush that has no specific use, I would say. And after that, we went straight into creating a more intentional custom brush that has a really specific use. And for the courageous ones, probably you created your own custom brushes and started to follow along the class. Now, when this was said, we learned some powerful techniques to actually create thumbnails and composition sketches, with approaches ranging from a gradient method all the way to black and white blocking. After that, we picked a thumbnail and started refining it in black and white. Now, especially here, we made our first use of actual custom brushes. From there, we went into coloring our painting. We started off with a color layer method, added some accents and tiny perspective changes. After we were happy with our colors, we made some slight changes to the format to add a foreground. And with the foreground, we added a lot of details. After rendering and adding some foreground characters and effects, we made some final perspective changes based on an imaginary horizon line. And now, after going through the class in time-lapse, we can clearly see where there were parts that were hard for us and where there were parts that just worked straight away. Don't be afraid to actually jump back in the class to parts where you feel some weaknesses and just repeat the steps to strengthen your routine. And take your time to analyze your own learning curve. I really hope you enjoyed this class and could make the most out of it. If you're not a member yet, make sure to get hold of one of the membership plans to be constantly updated on new classes and freebies and get access to all upcoming content. I wish you all the best on your artistic journey and hope to see you in the upcoming classes. Congratulations and see you next time.